Wednesday, July 17. Update sa aming mga personal belongings na pinadala namin sa Czech Republic. Una, noong Saturday. Dumating Monday evening sa bahay ni Hana ang aming mga personal belongings ng intact. Walang may nabasag. Kompleto. So, ang galing ng driver. From Saturday night, bumiyahe siya. Sunday night, Monday night, dumating siya sa bahay ni Hana at nadiskarga yung aming personal belongings ng buo at intact. So, may mga nagtatanong at sagutin ko ng buo kasi maraming nagtanong sa inyo kung magkano yung binayad namin sa shipment namin ng aming personal luggages, personal belongings sa Czech Republic. So, bayad namin 1,000 pounds. Yung nakita nyo na mga gamit dito, 1,000 pounds yung bayad namin doon sa company. Ang company ay Anyvan. At reliable. So kung may mga nakatira rito sa England na nilipat sa Europe or from Europe to England, so Anyvan yung aming nirintahan. So 1,000 pounds yung bayad namin sa 550 kilograms na padala. Lahat yon. So 10 cubic meter ang taas. Ganun. So yun. At masaya si Hana at dumating yung aming mga personal belongings ng buo. Yun, nagluluto habang ako ay nagbo-vlog. Nagluluto ako ng hapunan. Inahana, hapunan to ni Hana. Yun. Pero ako may sarili akong pagkain. Kasi kanya to. Mga 3 araw niya tong kakainin. Baon sa trabaho. Ito man sa akin. Sarap. Paan ng manok, yung legs. Okay, at gaya na sinabi ko, ito yung huling linggo ko na pasok sa trabaho. 3 araw pang natira. Wednesday ngayon eh. So, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday huling pasok sa trabaho. At may 1 linggo pang natira si Hana. Next week, ang huling pasok niya sa trabaho. At lilipad na kami sa Czech Republic.
Guys, look at my new henna.
Who did you make this?
They made it at me because yesterday we had like a summer fair.
Okay.
So then I just did henna there.
So, who did this?
I don't know. It's not a teacher.
Not a teacher? So, they just went to school and offered this one?
Yeah.
How much you paid for this?
£2.
2 pounds. Wow. Very nice. You like it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Another week for Sophia and then finish school. When is your school finished, Minkal?
Wednesday. Next Wednesday.
Next Wednesday.
And today's Thursday.
Wow. Are you excited? Yeah? And yeah, mine is finished tomorrow work. Tata is just assigned. Mommy is next week as well.
Yeah. And also my performance is tomorrow.
Your performance. So what do you play tomorrow?
Macbeth.
Macbeth. Can you give us sample? Sample, please. Sample. Sample. One phrase only. Sample. 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 One phrase. One sentence. No, one sentence. The sentence.
Out down spot out I say, who would have thought an old man could have so much blood in him.
Okay, make it as like...
No, I don't wanna. You just said sentence, that's all you said. You didn't say to act it out.
I said, but you were shy, so I said that. Okay, just a sentence. But nobody understands what you said. I did not even understand what you said because you're using slurred speech.
What's first speech?
Like drunk. a person talking. Okay, say it again fluently.
Out, dumb spot out, I say. Who would have thought an old man could have so much blood in him?
Yeah.
I didn't say it like a drunk person at first. I said exactly the same.
Alright, okay. So, i-drop off ko si Sofia sa school. Oras is alas 8:15 ng umaga dito. So, i-drop off ko siya. Balik dito. Alam nyo naman, trabaho ng Japit Boy, paulit-ulit, araw-araw. Yung niluto ko na kare, kahapon. Yan ang natira. Kaya Hana to, pagkain ni Hana yan. Gustong gusto ni Hana yan. Okay, so, hatid mo na sa school si Sofia. At ang ganda ng araw ngayon, oh. Nako, magandang araw. Hindi umulan, kahit kahapon hindi umulan. Kaya, good job. Pasok na naman sa trabaho. Ito yung last 2 days na pasok ko sa trabaho. Bukas ang huli. At medyo excited, medyo kinakabahan. Alam nyo, sa tanang buhay ko, ito yung isa, dalawa, ito yung pangatlong resign ko sa trabaho. Yung una ay airport, pangalawa yung cruise ship, pangatlo ito. So tagal ko na palang nagtatrabaho bilang isang security. Sa airport is 10 years, then nag-resign ako, and then sa cruise ship 6.5 years, then nag-resign ako. Dito sa England almost 13 years, and then tomorrow ang huling pasok ko sa trabaho, and then resign. Another chapter sa buhay ko, sa buhay ng pamilya ko, si Hana, Sofia. At sana subaybayan nyo pa rin kami kahit nasa Czech Republic kami, kasi mula nung nag-start ako mag-vlog ng mga 4.5 or 5 years old si Sofia, nasubaybayan nyo talaga yung buhay namin. At especially kay Sofia, hanggang lumaki si Sofia. Nung una yung pinanood si Sofia, halos na hindi pa siya gaanong makakapagsalita, pero ngayon nagdadalaga na. 11 years old, mag 12 years old na sa next year. At salamat po sa patuloy niyong pagsubaybay sa aming munting channel. Hindi kami nagpang-abot ni Hana sa bahay. On the way pa siya. At ako naman ang papasok. Siya ang pipick up kay Sofia sa school. At mamaya ay magkikita sila ng kanyang mga kaibigan. Parang farewell meet up nila ng kanyang mga kaibigan, yung mga ganda ng panahon dito ngayon sa England. Uminit, so bihira yung ganitong panahon. Kaya lang may pasok si Japit Boy. Maganda sana ganitong panahon, nasa park ka. Tsaka yung ganitong init, hindi gaanong mainit. Kasi yung mga tao naglalakad, walang payong. Kasi yung mga ganitong init nasa 23 degrees Celsius lang. Tulad sa atin nasa Pilipinas, sa 40 na siguro. So pwede kang maglakad-lakad under the sun pag summer dito sa England. Yan, so kakulikta ko lang ng susi ng building. So papunta na ako doon sa aking building. Medyo maaga pa, kaya hindi ko alam kung saan ako upo. Ayaw ko namang pumasok sa loob kagad. Ayaw kong makikiupo sa mga staff. Madami pang staff ngayon. Pero maaga pa ako. Ang aking pasok ay alas 4 pa. Meron pa akong 20 minutes. Kasi pag hindi ako pumasok ng maaga, yung bus, paglabasan ng mga estudyante, lalo na yung mga high school student, ay medyo busy na masyadong bus. Palaging hinto ng hinto, kaya minsan nadidelay ako. Hindi katulad ngayon, pag maaga ako, hindi pa labasan ng mga estudyante, kaya mabilis yung bus. So nasa university campus na ako, at let's get ready to rumble again. Si Japit Boy. Dito ako ngayon sa tabi ng kalsada. Tulikod ko, ito yung building na pinapasukan ko. Pero masyado akong napaaga. Kaya umupo na lang ako muna rito sa harapan ng building. So yung harapan ng building, yan yun. May pub doon. Inuman. Gusto mo magpa-beer-beer. Yan, pub yan doon. Yan. Bandang kanan ko, may pub din dyan. So ito yung harapan ng aming building. University Campus. Yan. Ito yung tinatawag na Oxford Road. Yan. Ganyan. Church of England. Okay. So, ang daming mga turista. Tignan mo yung mga turista doon, oh. Yung mga bata. Mga kanyan, yung mga high school. Galing China. Grupo-grupo yan sila. Marami yan sila dito. Okay, dito lang muna ako. Mayroon pa akong 15 minutes. Ayaw kong pumasok doon sa loob kasi madami pang staff doon. Ayaw kong makiupo. So dito na lang muna sa tabi ng daan. Habang nagmumuni-muni. Pag may pasukan, maraming nakaupo rito mga estudyante. Naninigarilyo. Pero ngayon wala sila. Kasi break time. Summer break. 9 o'clock ng gabi. Kauwi ko lang. Pero wala si Hana at Sofia. Asan sila? Hindi ko alam. May meeting si Hana with her friends. Parang farewell party niya sa kanyang kaibigan ng mga babae. Pero ito yung iniwan niya sa akin. Nag-crave ako nito! Nag-crave! Si Japit Boy! Pinili niya ito para sa akin. Tingnan nyo naman. Galing talaga ng asawa ko. Talagang maalalahanin. One day, isang piraso, isang araw. Okay? Pagkatapos ng aking pananghalian, nagkakape ako. Tapos, itong gagawin ko. Isa niyan. O isa't kalahati. Baka dalawa na. Yan. So, wala pa si Hana at Sofia. Baka mamaya-maya darating na yon. So, ako naman, ito yung aking hapunan. Last 9 na ng gabi. Habang naghihintay sa kanila. At pinapapak ko lang. Alam niyo na, pag hindi ako nagka-carbohydrates, papapak lang ako ng ulam. Sarap. Yun lang. Tapos nanonood ng mga YouTube, nanonood ng mga vloggers sa YouTube. Yung mga vloggers sa Czech Republic ng mga Pinoy. Pinapanood ko kung ano yung buhay nila sa Czech Republic. Para na rin kuha ako ng idea kung paano sila namumuhay sa Czech Republic. Malay mo, one day, mamit ko sila, maging kaibigan ko sila. At least, mapayuhan nila ako kung ano ang dapat gawin sa Czech Republic. Iba yung may nakakasalamuha kang mga Pinoy. Although nga, si Hana, taga roon, pero iba pa rin yung may nakakasalamuha kang mga Pinoy. Diba? Chicken wings yan. Yung niluto ko kanina. Dito lang kumain. Mga 3 chicken wings. With mani. Mani. Yan. Kaya hinihintay ko si Ana at Sofia. Tawagin ko muna. They are here.
Oh, we are so full.
How's life going on outside?
Oh, very nice weather.
Very nice weather, right?
Oh, I see.
It's warm.
We have very nice life here.
Mhm.
Hello.
I just arrived as well. How's Pinkai?
I'm good. I need to check up on my frozen things.
You're frozen. Are you hungry? You just ate outside.
No, I'm checking on it.
Mm-hmm.
Frozen.
What was that? What's that? What's that?
Is this yogurt? Like, I left it too long.
Mm. Okay, tell me what's going on.
Nothing.
Where have you been?
We have been to, what was it called again, Mommy?
Witherspoon.
Witherspoon.
Yeah.
Okay. So how are they?
Yeah, they are very nice.
With whom?
With the girls.
With you can mention their name. It doesn't matter.
No, it's a ladies from church.
Yeah, ladies from church.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it was very nice.
So what did you eat?
Oh, I had guess what?
What?
Fish and chips.
Fish and chips.
Yeah.
Really?
And Anita treat us for dessert, and I ate of course the warm chocolate cake with ice cream. So I was so full. I am
Wow.
still very full.
How about you, Pinkai? What did you eat?
I ate burger.
You ate what?
A burger.
Burger and what was your dessert?
I had a cookie dough with ice cream.
Do you like this one?
Yeah, it's good.
Good.
I ate.
you opacized already my pastry, right?
Yeah. I'm just trying to.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Do you like
it?
Do you like the pastry?
I haven't eaten pastry yet.
Hey, but then why is there 3 old custards on me?
Yeah, because you ate one already.
Mommy, eat a custard.
Maybe mommy ate the custard and you ate the jam. Yeah. Anyway, I'm not gonna eat during the night sweets. I only eat that one after my lunch. That's the technique. Don't eat sweets during the night before you go to bed. Eat it in the middle of the day after your lunch. Okay? So yeah,
Sophia is making her home ice cream.
home ice. That is homemade ice cream.
Yeah.
Wow,
Healthy style.
wow, wow! Unbelievable, Pinka. You are really good. Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm.
With ice cream, there's no sugar except for your chocolate chips.
Yeah. Anyway, tomorrow is my last day at work.
Oh, you're so lucky.
And everybody is hugging me. I don't like hug. Please don't hug me. Say bye only. Everybody, this British, you know, they love to hug. Oh, I'm gonna miss you, Japit. Bye. I said, like, okay.
Only you should say only my wife can hug me.
And not me.
And Sophia.
Yeah, they are very kind people. They are very nice people, and really, it's just like every beginning there is an end. So
Yeah.
this is the end. After 12 years and a half, 12 years and 6 months working in this company, so
you should
it's
make
time
it
to say bye.
13. You should make it 13.
And on July 24 is my 13 years here in England. Because I arrived in England July 23.
Yeah, I think so.
July 23, 2011 when I arrived in England.
Yeah.
So that's my 13 years in England. But it's time to say goodbye. It's time to say bye. Another chapter in our lives. At least we are going home. Hannah is going home. Sophia is going home. There is no...
Going home. I remember that this one we were always singing on the cruise ship.
Yeah. There is no place like home, ika nga. So where Hannah is home, that's also my home.
Oh.
Yeah.
And where is your home, my darling? It's also my home.
Really unbelievable. Yeah. So I'm happy that we're going home.